check out this really cool citrusy stamp cake. That's right, we are going to be using real fruit to make stamps with food colouring. How cool is that? Just get your basic vanilla cake or whichever cake you prefer, layer it with some buttercream icing, coat the outside in it too and smooth it over. Now we can have fun with some fondant! Get some icing sugar and sprinkle it on a chopping board and roll out your white fondant icing, nice and thin, big enough to wrap around the entire outside of the cake. You can use some scissors to just snip off the excess, push it down to perfect it. Then slice around with a cutter. That was easy, wasn't it? Time to decorate and get a lemon or an orange, whatever you prefer. Chop off one end and paint on some food colouring. We're using orange food colouring. You can use a little paintbrush to put that on. Or just dip it. And start stamping all around the sides. If you want, you can get even more colourful and use rainbow colours. We're sticking with orange for now. Then you can have more fun with fondant by making a fondant lemon and some leaves and stick those on the top for a finishing touch. Or use candies. What do you prefer? And there you have it. Very simple to do. And I tell you what, if you get the kids involved, they are going to have a ball doing this. Yum.